What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly.
We'll log into our YouTube channel. We'll go YouTube Studio first.
Go on videos options. Here we will find all videos together. Once we click on indicated option tab, we'll see just title and description, where we can input videos title and description, whatever we want to change. We have copied the title, saved in my notepad earlier. So we have given the information of our title and description as well. So in this way we can change title and description in a shortcut method without getting into full edit of any video. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want.